I bet he got a wet diaper, if he even has one on.
State Farm's executive vice president is preparing to hang up his hat.
What are you doing?
After nearly 40 years of insurance giant, she started the data processing before making
Are you cooking?
What are you making, rice? Oh, you're washing it?
Nice job. You do a good job. Yeah, you have to wash everything. Making the sound of the water.
Mama.
What?
What do you want in there?
Cookie.
No cookies. We're all done.
Again.
All done with dinner. Kitchen's closed.
Did it cool?
So, tomorrow have breakfast with Nana.
Thank you, Nana. Thank you. What's it?
Want this on your head?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't touch anything of yours. You want help to get in the chair? You want these over here?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta move this one out of the way. Did you want your fork?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Dinner.
Well, what are you gonna look at? You can't see Matt because Matt's on this side. Matt has to be on the other side. What do you see? The TV? Yeah. Okay. Well, we can look at Matt. There's Matt. Say hi. Throw a kiss. Say hi, Grandma Ann. No, now you can't see because your hand's in the way. Now what are we going to look at? You look outside? See, look outside. Oh, that's outside. You don't see nothing because it's dark outside. Except for the lights. But we need to be looking at you, not outside.
I'm done.
You're done with what?
I'm done.
Oh, thank you.